Welcome. Today we are in this incredible urbanization which is Elviria Hills. We're going to introduce you to our new 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property. It is southeast, south oriented, so you have all this morning sun and a lot of light during the whole day. Elviria is one of the best and most appreciated neighborhoods of Marbella. Marbella is completely, if you can say so. You will be perfectly located because you will be just a couple of minutes driving from the seashore, where you have all those wonderful beach clubs like Nikki's Beach, like Casanis Plage, and all around this area you have one of the most prestigious golf course that you can find here in Marbella. So come with us and let us show you this incredible property we have here. What a lovely property and what an incredible urbanization that is Elviria Hills. So you want to enjoy what all has to offer Marbella East and this incredible area that is Elviria, feel free to reach us, contact us, and I'm sure we will find something for your next holiday. See you.